is once you have it in the profile for sale, let's say that we have a team of builders that are building social profiles. We can sell that profile or trade or exchange or whatever to somebody else that has a session splitter account that's not even related to us. So we would upload it to the cloud, and then we'd give them a custom token, and then they could download that entire profile with cookie and everything that that we've done inside of that. So if I've got one tagged into Jarvie and I'm building it, locking and friends, and 90 days from now it's got 500 followers on Facebook and a few thousand on Instagram, that profile is worth some money right there, because now you're starting to move into an influencer status, and it's not just a fresh profile that you just built. So we'll age some accounts with some automation tools, and it's not going to be instantaneous, but within 90 to 120 days, you've got profiles that can do Yelp reviews, can do Amazon reviews, that you can make money with. So we're going to be selling, and I think, Garrett, you're building like a marketplace or something like that.
Yeah, we're working on the Session Splitter marketplace right now, exactly for that. And we have we are working on so on a lot of ways we've been limited by the browsers themselves. So authenticated proxies is been one of the limitations that we're kind of working through, because they actually save that kind of information on the resident computer. So we've got an extension also that is almost done. That what it'll allow is, so if you're a profile seller, you can actually have an authenticated proxy rather than an IP-based proxy, but an authenticated, which means you would have to have a username and password to use it. We have an extension where you can open up that extension, put in the host name, the port, the username, password, and then a password to protect that proxy. And then you would be able to actually send that proxy, that specific proxy, with all your profiles as well that you sell. So I might buy, 50 proxies. And so the good thing is I might pay, like $1 a proxy a month or something like this, and I can include them with the profiles I sell. And then I may say with my profiles that, pay me $10 a month for each profile, and that would include the original proxy that it was built with as well, which again just adds more value. One of the things that we do with all the software we build is we try to enable others to make money with the software as well. And so that's building this marketplace is part of this. And so if you can build profiles or emails with specific proxies, protect your own proxies, and still be able to send them to others, certainly that is worth some money on a monthly basis to continue to pay for those proxies. And so that's the kind of system we're putting in place. And so the marketplace will have the ability to not only just buy a profile one time, I'm going to buy a profile from you, but it'll have the opportunity, if that's how you're selling it, to pay you on a monthly basis as well through a subscription.
In addition to us doing, there's going to be other people building profiles to go into the marketplace. But here's an idea that I've run across, and that I want to differentiate two different types of profiles. I started using the word zombies recently, and minions. Minions are real fake people. I know that doesn't make sense, but they're real people. They're part of your social media marketing team. Zombies are ghosts. Those are the guys that are going to be liking and sharing and talking about your profile. So if you have an Instagram, you could have 200 or 300 zombies like a profile post. And this is where you would have cheaper proxies. You may have some rotating proxies in with your zombies to give them a different look. You can build your zombies through buying aged accounts. Just go on Google and type in, Instagram aged accounts or Twitter or Tumblr aged accounts, and you can build up a social profile on Session Splitter. just to manage each of the zombie accounts. So, what I'm teaching is how to build a real fake person as a minion, but I'm also going to throw in some bonuses down the road, how to get your zombies working too, because that's what Jarvie is going to really be doing, is setting up our zombies on there. With the marketplace, there would be some type of grading or something where we would say, hey, this is a real person with real friends, followers, and all that. And then we could, have where you could buy 10 or 15 of these zombies that we've made, knowing that, they may get banned within a week or 2 weeks. But they're there for a specific purpose, and that's to build up your own social profile, your know, like, and trust by having a bunch of people start following you. So anyway, I just want to throw that in. I want to ask